Hi everyone, welcome to YourPedia. This is Chandrasekhar, Faculty of Electrical and Electronics Engineering at YourPedia. This video is related to the most important previously asked interview questions of electrical engineering in IOCL interview for electrical engineering. Okay, in IOCL interview through GATE actually. Okay, IOCL recruits, you all know that, through GATE. Okay, so these are the actual interview questions. See, based on the candidate's experience who attended the interview before years, okay, 2024, 2023. So based on their feedback, yes, we taken these questions and we are giving it to you. So if you want these document of interview questions, you can take it from YourPedia. Okay, that is available on YourPedia. See, from electrical machines, I start with electrical machines. See, here I taken some around 35 questions or 35 or 34 questions. It doesn't mean that only 35, 34 questions, but its surrounding areas are also very important. See, though I did not mention all the questions, see, various tests on transformer, including some special tests. Testing on transformer is very, very important. OC test, SC test, polarity test. Polarity, what is the purpose of polarity test, how it is performed, and dielectric strength test. Okay, the transformer is going to have oil in it. To find the dielectric strength of oil, we conduct the tan delta test. Another name for dielectric strength test is tan delta test. Okay, Sampanus test. Okay, OC test, which side it is conducted, SC test, which side it is conducted. This first question itself is equal to I can say some 10 to 15 questions. Okay, one must have good grip on the command on the subject, especially on the testing of transformers. Okay, why we use DC, okay, dy on distribution, advantage of star on distribution side. Okay, so transformer, three-phase transformer is going to have delta by star, star by delta. Okay, delta by star grounded, star grounded by delta. This way many combinations are possible. Okay, which combination is used in transmission, which combination is used in distribution, what are the advantages, disadvantages, third harmonic component, and return path for fault currents. Okay, and voltage level to increase. There are many reasons. Okay, in this video I'll be discussing only questions but not their explanation. The main purpose of this video is to tell you how the questions will be asked, okay, and what way you have to think and answer. I'm not discussing the exact concept here. Okay, right. Next, the dielectric strength of oil before and after filtration, which we use in transformer. All motors, DC motors, AC motors, then applications, especially single phase induction motor applications, three phase induction motor applications, synchronous motor applications, and universal motor. Okay, what is universal motor, how it works, on those things. Next, starting methods of all machines, speed control of motors. What is an electric drive, advantage and disadvantage of variable frequency drive. Okay, V and inverted V curves of synchronous motor and generator, relays used in transformer protection. Okay, differential relay, biased differential relay, about their pilot wires, CTs. Okay, what is the difference between CT that is used in protection and the CT that is used in measurement? Is there any constructional difference? Right, Buchholz relay. What is the purpose of silica gel, okay, in the transformer, and purpose of silica gel in the transformer, about breather, what not. A lot of questions are possible. What is differential protection? Okay, transformer connections, CT connections. Okay, practical rating of CT. Okay, what is burden on CT? Okay, what is PSM, plug setting multiplier, and so those things that comes from CT as well as from power system protection. Then hysteresis and eddy current losses and how to minimize. Transformer oil and its purpose. What is OLTC? What is PLCC? Power line carrier communication. Okay. Synchronous condenser, okay, synchronous phase modifier, right? How to increase torque in slip ring induction motor. Okay, we have slip ring and squirrel cage. Starting torque can be increased by inserting the resistance, but running torque, how to increase. Such kind of questions are possible, and these were the previously asked questions I am mentioning here very clearly. Right? What is the difference between alternator and generator? Alternator and generator, right? Next, from power system, classification of transmission lines and what is the need of classification. What is based on physical length, based on electrical length. What is electrical length? What is the significance of electrical length? Okay, then different voltage levels in transmission, conductors used in transmission, advantages and disadvantages of AC and DC transmission. Especially DC is very important. What is the highest DC transmission voltage in India, highest AC voltage transmission in India, and from where to where it is situated, between what 2 points it is located, DC and AC transmission, right? Then for how much voltage above AC DC transmission is preferred. Okay, is there any problem of instability in DC transmission? How problem of instability is removed or overcome in DC transmission, right? What is transposition in transmission lines? What is corona? How to reduce power loss due to corona? Yes, how to reduce power loss due to corona? We go with the bundle conductors, but bundle conductors are not economical in every situation. For the operating voltages greater than or equal to 220, okay, we go for I can say bundle conductors. Installed capacity and average load in India. Yes, what is the installed capacity and average load in India? Thermal power plant basics. What is an economizer? What is air preheater? What is switching yard? What are the equipments you saw in switching yard? Okay, right? What is the first equipment that we should on in switching yard? Where the lightning arrestor is located in switching yard? Okay. Next, how to decide substation? Okay, see what are the factors that decide the necessity of the substation and which location we have to put? Okay, all these things, general questions also. All equipments like bus bar, surge arrestor, CT, PT, CVT, circuit breaker, lightning arrestor, switches, isolator, insulator. Okay, in substation. What is the difference between protection CT and measuring CT? Circuit breaker operation. What are auto reclose type circuit breakers? Arc quenching. What are the methods of what is arc? Why arc is formed? Okay, how the arc is sustained? What are the different arc quenching methods? Okay, then what is the difference between different equipments of power system protection? Like see, there is circuit breaker and isolator. What is the difference between circuit breaker and isolator? Both will open, but isolator works on no load to provide more distance between the 2 points, right? So that way, see what is PLCC, how much time does it usually take for a CB to break the circuit, make the circuit, what is breaking capacity, what is making capacity, why we try to extinguish the arc at current 0 point, right? How can we improve the transient stability of a system, insulation resistance, earthing resistance, grounding and earthing, skin effect, Faraday effect, proximity effect, parallel operation of generators, how will you measure frequency? Yes, what is grid? What is grid? What are the reasons for the failure of grid? Okay, is there any situation, do you know grid got failed, when it was failed, how it was failed? Okay, then what happened after grid failure, right? What is smart grid? What is SCADA? What is PLCC? So these are the possible questions. See, for the number's sake, those are 35 only, but from its peripheral areas, a lot of questions can be asked. Almost that is, this document is equal to some 150 questions document. The reason is, as I told you, see what is smart grid, okay, how it works, how it is different from conventional grid. Okay, what are the improvements in smart grid compared to conventional grid, right? How the frequency is monitored, controlled, measured. A lot of questions are possible on one question. Therefore, see, IOCL interview will be technical, means you have personal interview. In the personal interview there will be technical part. Technical part is very, very important. Technical part is very, very important. If you have good knowledge in your respective subjects, especially electrical machines, power systems, power electronics and drives, then electrical measurements and basics of remaining subjects. So for these 4 subjects you must have in-depth knowledge, and remaining subjects at least basics you must have, right? So you all know that YourPedia is the only platform in India which guides the students for its for their interview I can say preparation. So you can join your hands with YourPedia to accelerate your preparation towards IOCL interview preparation through GATE in electrical engineering. Thank you.